Hi, I'm Goli and welcome back to Miss Cake Kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you my favorite sponge cake recipe. One that I've perfected over the years and used to create beautiful custom cakes for my clients. And today I'll be teaching you all the tips and tricks to make this light, fluffy and delicious. So let's get started. First, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Make sure that eggshell doesn't get into the mixture. Give them a gentle mix. Add 90 grams of sugar and mix again until the batter becomes light, fluffy and pale. You can also add a dash of vanilla if you'd like. Totally optional, but it adds a lovely flavor. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Continue mixing until the batter triples in volume and becomes thick and airy. Scrape down the bowl. Now, add 90 grams of sifted flour gradually and folding in it gently with spatula. This step is extremely important for the final texture of your sponge cake, so be sure to do it carefully and gently fold the flour into your batter. Keep in mind that you don't want to deflate the egg's fluffiness. Once our batter is ready, pour it into a 6-inch cake pan lined with parchment sheet. Bake it in a preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once it's baked and cooled, you'll see how soft, spongy, and perfect it is. This cake is versatile and can be used with various fillings and for all sorts of custom designs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.